welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. It's a decent day. It's a little cool. Sun's coming out though. I might have to take this jacket off. This is phase one of getting rid of my old grill cover. Getting ready to put the new one up. I can't wait. I got my new grilling station set up over there for right now. I will be using it for today and tomorrow and the next day, I'm sure, over the weekend. Anyway, let me show you the demolition. Now, this is my grilling area before with all my grills underneath it. This is my grilling area with all my grills moved. Let's get going. You know, sometimes you just got to do this yourself. The help I was going to have, well, they're all too busy. I put this up almost all by myself. I figured I could just take it down by myself, right? It's not too hard. It's not too heavy. This grilling area has been up for a long time. It's got a lot of use out of it. I added that little windscreen thing on top to help block the sun, a little bit of the rain. It was not waterproof. My new grill cover is going to have a metal roof on it. It's going to be a lot nicer than this one. This one is broken in so many places. It's just seen better days. All right, how about that? Look at that. I'm ready for my new grilling area. I can't wait. I'm gonna get started on it, but it'll probably take me a little bit. I just have to do a little bit each day. So there you go. The end of the old Man Kitchen Recipes. And we're gonna set up the new one. And hey, if you like this, hit the like and subscribe. We'll be cooking some good eats coming up soon. Of course, it'll all be underneath my new grilling area.